Hello students, welcome to Ssc classes. For detailed information about our classes, you can just visit our website that is given here, www.sscclasses.com. And if you need study materials or full videos of our courses, then you can just call us or WhatsApp us at this number 9836793076. You can even like our videos and subscribe our channel for further more videos. Today our topic is algebra, and here comes our first question. It's very important question, but it's easy to solve. It's even very interesting. The question is, if 1 root of x square plus px plus 12 equals to 0 is 4, while the equation x square plus px plus q is equals to 0 has equal roots, then the value of q is. So here we have to find the value of q. Here 4 options are also given. Option A, that is 49 by 4, option B, that is 4 by 49, option C, that is 4, and option D is 1 by 4. So now let's start. Here it's given that x square plus px plus 12 is equals to 0. Now x is equals to 4 will satisfy this equation. So 16, putting x in this equation, we are just putting x equals to 4. So then we can get the value of this as 16 plus 4p plus 12 is equals to 0, and from this we can get the value of p, that is minus 7. Now other equation becomes x square minus 7x plus q is equals to 0. Now its roots are equal, so b square is equals to 4ac. So from this we can say that 49 is equals to 4q, or from this we can derive the value of q, that is 49 by 4. So here option A is the correct answer. Now here is our next question. The question is, fourth term of an arithmetic progression that is commonly known as AP is 8. So the fourth term of this AP series is 8. What is the sum of the first 7 terms of the arithmetic progression? Here 4 options are also given. So now let's start. Fourth term is 8. Okay, so now let me change the color. Here we go. And from this we can say that a plus 3d is equals to 8. Now the sum of 7 terms, of this series is, we can denote it as a 7, that is equals to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d, that is equals to 7 by 2 into 2 into a plus 3d. Now putting the value of a plus 3d, we can rewrite it as 7 by 2 into 2 into 8, and by simplifying this we can write it as 7 into 8, that is equals to 56. So here the sum of 7 terms, that is a7, is 56. That is our option C is 56.